Hey folks, it's been so long since the last video of Terrarium. You probably thought it died. Let's see what's there. 10 days and 2 years have passed since we made a terrarium in a jar, and ants settled in. They still live there. In winter, they weren't active, showing up rarely. We thought they have gone forever. But now, someone is crawling on the surface. Back on time. That's how Terrarium looked in the beginning, year 2016. It's been changed over time. Some kind of plants couldn't survive. Others survived and developed in the terrarium. This one, sort of moss. It is very adapted to environment. Well, ants enjoyed spending their time in jungles, moving on branches very fast. Stefan regularly visits ants and checks whether they are still alright. Cookie even looks inside. Being predators, this species of ants often hunt to other insects. We decided to make an experiment and give them a piece of chocolate. Ants are sweet-toothed, and without a doubt they started to eat. The temperature in the room was pretty high, and that's why it mellowed a little. Usually few ants may appear on the surface, at the same time others on the ground. Because of the food, they're all there, trying to get their piece. Then we gave them a raw meat, and ants jump on it. Now let's check the big terrarium. 2 years have passed since we filled it with a forest ground and sealed hermetically. Many plants have grown and died since then. Because there is no rain and wind which could fell all dried plants, died grass barely fall back on the ground. Terrarium sometimes looks so like a scary forest. Fortunately, tiny springtails came from somewhere, which perfectly integrated in this ecosystem. Because all they eat is died plants, that is plenty. They become like predators of terrarium. That grew first week after creating a terrarium. Now you can't even see it. Back then, it seemed like it will be the tallest tree there. Well, our experiment being more than successful, developed and grown many types of plants, also living organisms, that we didn't even plan to settle them.